So here we go, how to adjust the T4 steering linkage. That's the tools that make the job nice and easy. And first thing is put it in neutral and come under here, and then just make a white line to be sure you know you've got your proper datum. Go back to if it's all wrong. I'll have to learn to edit videos, but in the meantime, so you've got that marked off. You can do with just two 13mm spanners underneath there, but I've got that so it's easier. So you see how that's a wedge, and that's 10mm little piece of hardwood I use. And then just pop your cover. I'll show how easy I can show this. Oh, that's not bad, look. And then this 10mm piece just jammed in this side, and then take up the slack on that side with that wedge. Oh, hang on. Push it in and jam it, and then go back underneath, retighten the 13mm bolt, and then should have reverse, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Hope that helps.